Good afternoon, students. As we know that mathematics is very important in our daily life situation. We can't live without mathematics. Even we can't imagine the world without mathematics. Mathematics is needed at every field and professions. So these are the uses of mathematics. There are many uses in our daily life situations. Like, what are the uses of mathematics in our daily life situation? Anybody tell me? Okay. In our daily life situation, we use mathematics in many ways. One, percentage. We have to calculate percentage. We use mathematics. Percentage, date, time, constructive purpose, constructive purpose, cooking, grades. So these are all the uses of common uses or daily uses of mathematics. Okay. In mathematics, there are mainly three subjects. Mathematics can be broadly divided into three types. One is arithmetic, second one is algebra, and third one is geometry. You already know that. Geometry. So then tell me, what is arithmetic? What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is nothing but it is the branch of mathematics and it is the study of consist of numbers. Means study of numbers is called arithmetics. Study of numbers. Is called arithmetic. Who is the father of arithmetic? Do you know? Anybody? Okay. Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta is the father of arithmetic. Brahmagupta, father. Brahmagupta. Okay. Father of arithmetic is Brahmagupta. Okay. Then tell me, what is algebra? What is algebra? Anybody? Okay. Algebra is also a branch of mathematics. It consists of study of symbols and manipulating the rules of their symbols. Okay, study of symbols is called algebra and manipulating their rules for symbols. This is called algebra. Who is the father of algebra? Anybody? Okay. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the father of algebra. Aryabhatta. Okay. Then, now, what is geometry? You already known about it. In your previous classes, you already learned these branches. Then tell me, what is geometry? Okay. Geometry also branches of mathematics. It is the study of geometrical shapes. Study of geometrical shapes. Shapes. Study of geometrical shapes is nothing but geometry. Who is the father of geometry? Do you know? Anybody? Any guesses? Euclid. Okay? Euclid. Euclid. Okay? Now, we shall move on to geometry. Some concept related to geometry. Okay. In our surroundings, you observe many things, so many things like geometrical shapes. You observe so many geometrical shapes. Can you list down? Can you list those geometrical shapes? Which are the geometrical shapes observed in your surroundings or school situations? Okay. Tell me one by one. Anybody? Any guesses? Which are the geometrical shapes? Okay. Circle, triangle, pen, square, okay, rectangle, then, okay, rhombus, kite, parallelogram, okay. These are the geometrical shapes you observe in your surroundings or your environments, okay. Now, in this class, we shall study about quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? Anybody? Quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? Okay. I will give you the hint. Okay. Square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, kite, rhombus are the types of quadrilaterals. So imagine the figures in your mind. Okay. Imagine the figures, then tell me the definitions of quadrilaterals or meaning of quadrilaterals. Okay. Anybody? Imagine the figures of geometrical shapes like quadrilaterals. Rectangle, square, kite, trapezium, okay. These are all the types of quadrilaterals. Observe those figures and tell me the definitions of quadrilaterals. Okay. Quadrilateral is a plane figure. Okay, I will tell you. Quadrilateral is a plane figure. Plane figure made up of four line segments, and closing in a space. Closing in a space. Closing in a space. This is called quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a plane figure made up of four line segments and closing in a space. Notice, observe here. This is a plane figure. Every figures in this board made up of four line segments and closing in a space. The every point or every sides are close each other. So this is the definition of quadrilaterals. Okay, all of you got it? Now we shall move on to what are the common properties of quadrilaterals. What are the common properties of quadrilaterals? Anybody? Properties of quadrilaterals. Common properties. Common properties. Okay. I will give you the hint. Okay. You already know the shape of this figure. Okay. This is triangle. Okay. I will give you the hint. Then tell me the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay. You already know that this shape is triangle shape. Okay. This triangle is named as A, B, C. Okay. This triangle ABC has three vertices. Okay. This is the properties of triangle. Like that, you have to tell me the properties of quadrilateral later. Okay. Three vertices. Okay. Vertices is nothing but it is a point where two or more point or edges or curves meet. Okay? It is a point where two or more edges, curves are meet. This is called vertices. Okay? So this triangle ABC has three vertices, namely vertices A, vertices B, and vertices C. Okay? This is the property of triangle. Okay? Then we shall move on to sides. This triangle has three sides: AB, BC, and CA. Three sides. What is sides? The point left or right of an object is called sides. Okay? Sides. This triangle has three sides, namely AB, BC, and CA. Okay? This triangle has three sides. One, two, three. Okay. Then this triangle has another property. This triangle has three handles. Three handles. Okay? Angle is nothing but what is angle means? The angles means the space between intersecting two lines. The space between two intersecting lines. This is called angle. Okay? The space between two intersecting lines is called angle. This triangle has three angles. Triangle A, angle A, angle B, and angle C. These angles can be represented in another form: BAC, angle ABC, or angle BCA. Okay? This letter represents the angle. Okay? This letter A, this B, in this C letters the angle. Okay? And you also know that sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay. These are all the common properties of triangle. Do you know that already? Okay. Now use this int. Then tell me the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay. Tell me the properties of quadrilaterals. Yes. Tell me. Okay. I'm already told that square, rectangle, trapezium, kite, rhombus, these are all the types of quadrilaterals. So this is rectangle. This is also type of quadrilateral. Sir? So, sir. In your previous classes, you already known about velocity, speed, sound, etc. Today class we shall study about energy. Okay. Then tell me what is energy? Anybody? What is energy? Okay. Energy is the ability to do the work. Energy is nothing but ability to do the work. Is called energy. Ability to do the work. To do the work is called energy. The word energy is derived from the Greek word energia. Okay, Greek word energia, which means activity or operation. Activity or operation. Okay, the SI unit of energy is joule. Joule, joule, okay, or joule, J. This can be represented by the letter J, okay. Do you know that energy, already know the law of conservation of energy? Anybody guesses what is the conservation of energy? Anybody? Energy can be created? Energy can be destroyed? No. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form to another form. This is the law of conservation of energy. Okay? Can I repeat this? What is the law of conservation of energy? Law of conservation of energy. Anybody repeat? Yes? Okay. Energy can neither be created. Energy can be neither be created. Okay? Created nor be destroyed. It can't destroy or it can't create. Okay? Neither be destroyed. But it can be transformed or converts. Okay? From one form to another form. One form to another form. Okay? This is the law of conservation of energy. Means energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. This is the law of conservation of energy. For example, solar energy. Example, solar energy. Solar energy can be converted into heat energy. Heat energy, okay? Wind energy can be converted into electrical energy. So these are we can convert one form to another form, but we can't create or we can't destroy. This is the law of conservation of energy. Okay? There are several forms of energies. Do you know that? Can you list out which are the forms of energy? Yes? Can you list out the forms of energy? Okay, potential energy, kinetic energy, okay, thermal energy, biomass energy, wind energy, solar energy. These are all the several forms of energy, but broadly categorized into two types. One is potential energy. One is potential energy, and second one is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Okay. Now tell me what is potential energy? Okay. I will give you examples. When rubber band is stretching, okay. First one is the rubber band is stretching. The stretched rubber band. Okay. Then second example is we have to observe or listen carefully. Examples. Okay. Water stored in a tank. Water stored in a tank. Next, car is at the top of the hill. Car is at the top of the hill. Top of the hill. Okay. These are all the examples of potential energy. Then you have to imagine these situations and tell me what is potential energy. Yeah, tell me. Yes, right. You are right. You are near to the answer. Okay. Okay. Potential energy is the energy that it is possessed by the object due to object position or state or arrangement. Okay. I wrote down this definition this here. Okay. Okay. Potential energy is the energy it is possessed by the object due to its position of object or state or arrangement. This is called potential energy. Potential energy is represented by PE. Okay. What is the formula for potential energy? Potential energy. What is the formula? mgh. What is the meaning of m? M means what? M means, yeah, correct. M means mass of the object. Mass of the object. Okay, mass of any object. What is G? Yeah, G. What is G? In your previous classes, you already studied the formula. G means acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Then tell me what is H? Yes, very good. H means height. Height of the object. Height of the object. This is the required, this is the formula for potential energy. P is equal to mgh. Okay? All of you understood? Okay. Now we shall move on to kinetic energy. Then tell me what is kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy? It is just opposite of potential energy. Yes, tell me what is kinetic energy? Okay, I will give you the example. Riding a bike. Examples, riding a bike. Okay, imagine a situation and then tell me the definition of kinetic energy. Riding a bike. Then example 2. A river is flowing. River is flowing. And third example is the bullet fired from a gun. The bullet fired from a gun. Okay. Assume those situations and tell me the meaning or definition of kinetic energy. Yes, tell me. Anybody? Yes, tell me. Okay. Kinetic energy is also a energy. It possessed by the body due to its virtue of its motion. Okay. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body and possessed by the body of an object and due to its virtue of motion. Is called kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is also denoted by Ke. Ke is nothing but kinetic energy. What is the formula for kinetic energy? What is the formula? Okay. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Okay. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Then tell me what is m? I told that what is m? Before 2 minutes I told that m means mass of an object. M is mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. Velocity. So m is the mass, v is the velocity. Mass of the object, v is the velocity of the object. Velocity of the object. Okay. K is equal to half mv square. This is the formula for kinetic energy. M is the mass of the object, v is the velocity object. Okay. In this class, we learned about energy and its types. Okay. Mainly potential energy and kinetic energy. In next class, we discuss about some problems related potential energy and kinetic energy.
Hello. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, Nana. Nana, you sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
so can I have this?